Our world is abundant with delicious fruits and food, and behind this success are the giants of the agricultural industry, creating symbols of progress and development in agricultural technology. Farm machinery has advanced beyond our imagination. So what are you waiting for? Join us in exploring these impressive machines. Carrots are being harvested on a large scale at Frenzen Agriculture, a Dutch agricultural enterprise, using state-of-the-art harvesting machinery. This advanced equipment ensures efficient and high-volume carrot harvesting. Each fruit type has its own specially designed harvesting machine. Automatic cherry harvesters utilize a shaking mechanism and a giant canvas to catch the fruit, optimizing the harvesting process. The European technology leek harvester operates at high speed, efficiently harvesting hundreds of leek bulbs in a single pass. This advanced machine revolutionizes leek harvesting, ensuring rapid and effective results. Beyond its delicious taste, coconuts can also be processed into skin-nourishing oils, hair treatments, and culinary delights. Isn't that amazing? Just a glance reveals the deliciousness of the enormous watermelons nurtured with the farmers' love for their work. Their sheer size and freshness are a testament to the farmers' dedication. The blueberry harvester, designed like a comb, gently brushes and gathers delicious blueberries from the bushes. This innovative machine ensures efficient and careful harvesting, resembling nature's own combing process. Cutting-edge snow potato harvesting technology, lifting potatoes from the snow, shaking off excess soil, transporting, then storing them in a warehouse. This modern process ensures efficient winter potato harvesting. The peanut harvester sweeps peanuts off the ground, efficiently harvesting wherever it goes. This innovative machine ensures a clean and thorough harvest, revolutionizing peanut harvesting in the field. Watermelons nurtured with love and care, extraordinarily large and delicious. Just one look satisfies the senses, a testament to the tender attention that goes into their cultivation. The French cherry harvester operates entirely on vibration technology. Relying solely on vibrations, this innovative machine ensures efficient cherry harvesting, showcasing advanced French agricultural technology. The new crossbeat chopping bucket is the most advanced option for loader-mounted choppers. The lightweight design allows it to be mounted on tractor loaders. Really, fresh fruit can heal our souls.
Thousands of tons of pineapples are harvested and transported to large trucks. You can see the perfect collaboration between farmers. The rose apple orchard is a wonderful picture of richness and freshness in agriculture. The integration of machinery, advanced technology, and the diligence of farmers showcases the impressive capabilities of the agricultural industry. As we usually see, watermelons have red flesh, but surprisingly, this watermelon has purple flesh. The Kurt system is a modern horse training machine that can take young horses through a rigorous training process under close supervision and control. A brushing table for fruits and vegetables is a specialized piece of equipment designed to remove dirt, debris, and other contaminants from the surface of produce.
large-scale Christmas tree planting robot technology, managing hundreds of thousands of Christmas trees, from drilling and planting to daily maintenance. The entire process is operated entirely by robots. Tree spade is the fastest and easiest way to remove any size of tree from the ground and transport it to another place. Exceptionally delicious giant watermelons, cleverly bred by skilled farmers using innovative agricultural breakthroughs, showcasing a remarkable feat in agricultural innovation. The G1015 roller winder from GoWheel impresses with its very compact and robust design. Two rollers driven in series ensure that the bale turns evenly. What a magical, delicious fruit this is. It is truly exquisite and beautiful. The Soviet-origin Kamov Ka-26 helicopter, deployed in the country, serves plant protection purposes. The Ka-26 is a very versatile helicopter, perfectly suited for agricultural applications, ensuring efficient crop care. Ripe mangoes on the tree, delicious and enticing to the senses. Imagine the satisfaction of slicing through a ripe coconut effortlessly, like cutting through butter. With this machine, enjoying a coconut is as easy as pie. I am mesmerized by the way he skillfully cuts, then prepares this seedless watermelon. This machine harvests nearly 50 hectares of wheat in 1 hour. It is just amazing. After harvesting watermelons, the farmer is excited to bring them to the market. He enthusiastically engages with customers, sharing his passion for this fruit with those who appreciate it. Do you know how dog snails are harvested and processed? Let's watch the entire video together, and you'll have the answers right away. Let's admire how Chinese farmers harvest these tender and white turnips. It is truly wonderful. Peanut harvesting technology for a vast 10,000-acre farm. Capable of picking 12 to 16 rows of peanuts simultaneously, it flips and dries them before directly collecting the peanuts once ready for harvest. Fruits cultivated with the farmer's dedication produce clusters of beautifully delicious grapes. The pesticide spraying machine glides over the tulip fields, ensuring precise and effective application. This technology safeguards the vibrant tulips, contributing to a healthy and thriving flower cultivation. I dare to claim that no one on the internet has tasted this fruit yet. Sweet, delicious, soft and juicy. Beyond modern agricultural machinery, a bountiful harvest season yields fruit-laden fields. We also sense the joy of the farmers and the pure flavors of the countryside, encapsulating the essence of rural life. Sweeter than the sugar in your home, this delightful pomegranate promises a burst of sweetness that surprises anything that you have ever experienced. The blueberry harvester rides along rows, employing two skillful combs to delicately detach berries from the bushes for farmers to sort. This efficient machine streamlines the blueberry harvesting process. This is a type of red-fleshed apple that almost no one online has tried. Modern pasture harvesting technology handles the entire process of harvesting black oats and grass fields. Mechanized cutting, raking, drying and baling enable efficient feeding for tens of thousands of livestock. The legendary fruit indeed exists, a mythical marvel turned reality. Revolutionary technology for cultivating and harvesting thousands of acres of cotton farms. The entire process is fully mechanized, with the cotton compressed into bales for easy transportation. Axial fan of carbon composite material is in the pest control field, the first of its kind in Korea, leading to an increase in safety and durability. Delicious fresh fruits have a powerful relaxing effect. Mechanized cucumber harvesting is a modern and efficient process. These machines are equipped with advanced technologies, including automatic cutting systems and conveyors. And following that, we have delicious peppers eagerly awaiting delivery to consumers. We all know bell peppers are packed with essential vitamins for our health.
The RoboWeeder TEM is an AI-driven weed-killing robot designed to autonomously identify and eliminate weeds in agricultural fields. Holmer Terrados 5, the new sugar beet harvester for 2023, paired with the Tractor JD8RC, represents the cutting edge in agricultural technology. It feels like this is a mangosteen growing from the ground. The scene of farmers harvesting sugarcane is a heartwarming, quintessentially rural image. Visually appealing pineapples are a masterpiece of nature. Their vibrant colors and unique shapes create an intriguing and attractive spectacle. The hawthorn harvest is a picturesque spectacle. The meticulous process of harvesting highlights the careful attention given to each plump berry. A breathtaking expanse of cabbage fields stretching as far as the eye can see. This vast and beautiful sight is a testament to the abundance. This machine is not only a crucial tool in the wood processing process, but also a significant contributor to modernization and sustainability in the wood industry. Dragon fruit is a fruit rich in various vitamins that are beneficial for health. For example, vitamin C, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, and so on.
In the era of Industry 4.0, it is fascinating to witness high-tech devices seamlessly integrating into agriculture. It is truly remarkable how these advancements have made farming less laborious for farmers. Let's together admire these delicious and visually stunning plums. Look at them, truly magnificent with their vibrant color and their juicy ripeness. Late July, typically the time for sugarcane planting across most fields in Louisiana, USA. According to 2021 statistics, Louisiana boasts approximately 403,000 hectares of sugarcane. Sweeper, the innovative pepper harvesting robot, utilizes advanced robotics to streamline the harvesting process, equipped with precision technology and ensuring a seamless pepper harvesting experience. Root AI's tomato harvesting technology marks a breakthrough, combining robotics and AI for efficient and precise crop picking. This innovation promises increased agricultural productivity. ITA Mechanica Zuckel's apple system represents a cutting-edge approach to apple harvesting. The innovative technology ensures efficient and systematic apple picking. The new Plugger CM4240 self-propelled merger swaather redefines grass silage ricking. With an innovative design and self-propelled capabilities, it revolutionizes the process, promising quality in silage production. It is not hard to guess that this is the Cavernaland Bio, a leading machine in harvesting grass and neatly bundling it up. It streamlines the grass preservation process, making it all easier. Thanks to advanced and modern equipment, farmers have significantly reduced workload, addressing everything swiftly. It's truly a worthwhile investment in efficiency. With modern processes like these, cultivating and harvesting strawberries has become incredibly easy and relaxing for farmers, which is truly wonderful.
This field has been plowed after the last harvest season. Now it's time for them to use machinery to mix the top and bottom soil layers together to prepare for a new planting season. The preservation of grass for storing animal feed is usually carried out by compressing and packaging it into bales. The Vario machine currently loads crushed grass into the pressing chamber. The picturesque dragon fruit fields symbolize the richness and vitality of agriculture. The Nexat sprayer is one of the equipment used in modern agriculture for irrigation and pesticide spraying to protect crops and improve productivity. Can you guess what this particular machine is doing? This is the IHC 430 baler, an excellent grass baler manufactured by International Harvester Company. I believe any professional farmer would be willing to equip their farm with this harvesting machine. In the grasslands of Poland, the Fendt 824 Turbomatic is a tractor equipped with a Rumstad Eco plow with 9 tracks. Interestingly, this machine is also responsible for baling small-sized hay bales, using the same mechanism as the previous machine, but with a smaller baling chamber to produce small rectangular bales. Wow, you'll never be bored with gardening if you own this powerful machine. The hydraulic drill will be your reliable assistant.
Banana, a rich source of nutrients such as potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, fiber, and minerals like magnesium. Harvesting bananas, though, is no simple task. The image of vibrant red tomato rows against a backdrop of fresh green leaves creates an enticing landscape, emphasizing the significance of organic farming methods and the cultivation process. The automatic strawberry harvest machine is a marvel of agricultural technology. Its precision and efficiency in picking ripe strawberries showcase a significant advancement in modern farming practices. Picture yourself as the proud owner of this lush fruit orchard, an experience that would be delightful and so rewarding.
Pickright's chili pepper harvester employs a patented design to strip peppers from the stalk, comb the soil, and gently lift peppers off the ground. The Amadeus 99990, powered by the John Deere Tier 4 turbocharged 9.0L engine, is the world's highest capacity peanut combine, harvesting 40 tons per hour and 6 acres daily. Top lifters employ rubber belts to grasp the green carrot tops and extract them from the soil. A share penetrates beneath the carrot root, freeing the plant.
Red beet harvesting is a meticulous process that involves delicately uprooting the vibrant roots from the soil. The crimson hues of the beets peeking through the earth creates a quite visually stunning scene. The cutting-edge Ploger BP2140E bean picker is revolutionizing green bean harvesting. With advanced technology and precision, it enhances efficiency, ensuring a swift. Red pepper is not only a flavorful spice, but also provides many health benefits. For example, it is a good source of vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system. How clever! Coconuts are skillfully cracked, keeping their juicy flesh intact. They look so appetizing and satisfying, don't they? Genetically modified yellow watermelons, cultivating a novel and distinctive flavor. Now let's head to Florida, the top producer of sweet corn in the United States. Witness millions of tons of sweetness being harvested from approximately 53,000 sweet corn farms. Witness the mesmerizing time-lapse journey of a giant pumpkin from seedling to a whopping 600-kilo marvel. This is indeed the image of that 600-kilo pumpkin. Doesn't it just look so truly impressive? German machinery is impressive, harvesting crops with speed and efficiency. It is a pleasure to watch it at work, a testament to the prowess of agricultural technology. Admiring the delectable fruits never gets old, with the soft, juicy pomegranate sweet and brimming with flavor. In the sunlit field, the Kubota EX118Q rice harvester moves gracefully, expertly harvesting golden grains. Its precision and efficiency symbolize the fusion of technology and agriculture. Modern agricultural machinery facilitates harvesting like never before, with cherries falling like rain during a bountiful season. The advanced technology streamlines the harvesting process, ensuring efficiency and abundance. The tracked disc harvester swiftly glides through the field, efficiently harvesting 100 acres of mature grass in a single day. Its robust design ensures a seamless and productive operation. The plastic-wrapped grass roll collector efficiently gathers and compacts rolls of grass. Its systematic operation ensures a neat and organized collection, streamlining the process of field maintenance. The American sweet potato harvest is fully mechanized, utilizing advanced technology to efficiently harvest 500 tons in a day, showcasing the scale and the efficiency of modern agricultural machinery. In Germany, the harvesting of carrots is entirely mechanized. The widespread adoption of this modern agricultural technology depends on various factors, including economic feasibility, agricultural infrastructure, farmer acceptance, and government support.
The BCS 3-wheel reaper binder offers an efficient wheat harvesting solution. With its 3-wheel design, it swiftly cuts and binds wheat, streamlining the harvesting process. Planting cabbage and cauliflower under flat cover on the field. Tables are covered with agricultural fabric measuring 8 and 6 meters wide. The composite mulching machine tissue provides effective weed suppression and moisture retention for agricultural beds. Its durable material helps maintain soil health and improve crop yields in various farming applications. The planting machine, attached to a New Holland Ford TC48R Plus tractor, efficiently cultivates cassava in Thailand. Oxbow enhances productivity, forage quality, and operator comfort with the new model 4334. Front-mounted pickup heads offer an industry first, merging without driving the tractor over down crop. A machine with a powerful hydraulic claw, it chops and gathers trees wherever it goes. Do you feel your mind being healed by delicious fresh fruits? Let's join us in harvesting scenes of dragon fruit and brainstorm how to create delicious desserts using this nutritious fruit.
Slice those coconuts in 3 seconds flat, churn them out by the dozen. Take a swig of that fresh coconut water and you'll feel like you're lounging on a tropical island getaway.
Fresh fruits are not only good for health, but also heal the minds of those who enjoy them. In Kuren, West Flanders, we saw Mathieu Verou's busy harvesting leeks in front of his farm shop. For several years now, Mathieu uses a Fendt 722 Vario. The Vogel Engineering cucumber harvester can gather crops at a rate of up to 3 acres per hour. It efficiently removes leaves, vines, and debris, leaving you with clean, high-quality fruit. The modern pumpkin seed harvester is called AXR 430. A 4M long axial rotor and 2 3M long cleaning drums ensure pure pumpkin seeds and an unprecedented harvesting speed. People always find relaxation in front of lush fruit orchards. We are seeing farmers in Anjihai Township of Shawan County in northwest China's Xinjiang for harvesting chili peppers as the spicy fruit of plants dye the land red. Pick-right vegetable harvesters are built to work the way you work. Now you can harvest up to 20,000 pounds of bell peppers every hour while cutting your labor costs. This is a fully automatic machine capable of harvesting and separating chili peppers uniformly and effectively. This machine is suitable for large farms and those who need mass production.
After several months, ripe pineapples are harvested. There are various methods for pineapple harvesting, some which are more labor-intensive, but they ensure the quality of ripeness of the pineapples. Instead of using separate shaking, sweeping machines and individual harvesters, Agro Melora employs a single machine to perform the entire task in one go. The new Fendt 942 Vario is a remarkable agricultural powerhouse, exemplifying cutting-edge technology in farming. With its 57-metre spraying capacity and detailed explanation of tulip harvest by Franzen Landbau. The US is engaged in a robotics arms race to revolutionize apple harvesting. Cutting-edge robotic arms equipped with advanced sensors and AI are rapidly replacing traditional methods. John Deere X9 is a large and powerful combine harvester, marking a breakthrough in modern agriculture. Ripe Kate mangoes with a rich and juicy taste, fragrant and sweet. Harvesting cotton with machinery is a crucial part of the cotton production process. These machines are typically designed to automatically cut cotton from the plants quickly and efficiently.
The 3-row cabbage garden cultivator is a specialized agricultural implement designed to efficiently cultivate cabbage fields. In just 20 seconds, this machine efficiently removes 5 medium-height trees, accelerating deforestation. Yet, it counteracts this by replanting rather than destroying trees, lessening environmental harm. The 7-row planting machine allows for adjustable row spacing from 35 to 100 cm, suitable for crops like lettuce, tomatoes, garlic, cabbage, peppers, spinach, potatoes, and more. A basic tractor methodically gathers onions from the farm, illustrating traditional harvesting techniques used in agriculture for efficient crop collection and processing.
This summer, who wouldn't want to experience a melon feast in dreams? Whether lying down or sitting, enjoying melon brings pure joy. The farmer, full of enthusiasm, drives the sesame harvester through the fields. With precision and dedication, the machine achieves impressive productivity, symbolizing the synergy of hard work and efficiency. Modern machinery efficiently harvests pumpkin seeds. With precision, it navigates the field. Extracting seeds from ripe pumpkins, showcasing technological advancements in agricultural practices. In the mushroom cultivation scene, the surroundings typically blend harmoniously with soil, light, and humid air. Soft rows of light gently illuminate to support the growth process. The distinctive aroma of mushrooms, combined with pure air, creates an ideal environment for the rapid and high-quality development of the cultivated fungi. Beneath the sun-drenched skies, the vine-covered landscape of the vineyard unfolds. Rows of meticulously tended grapevines stretch out, bearing the promise of succulent fruit. The symphony of rustling leaves and the sweet aroma of ripened grapes infuse the air. This picturesque scene encapsulates the essence of a vineyard, where nature and cultivation harmonize to yield the finest grapes. Witness the first agricultural marvel, a colossal harvester, its sheer size dominating the field. Van Hoek's cabbage harvester, with a productivity equal to that of 30 manual harvesters. It provides a solution to the labour shortage being faced by British farmers.
Starting the journey in the Netherlands, where the climate is temperate year-round, amid a backdrop of flying flocks of birds, farmers are operating the Super Tiger 360p machine to complete the planting area. The Japanese sea pine apple harvest involves carefully collecting these unique marine creatures from ocean waters. Cabbage and cauliflower are planted beneath a flat covering on the field. The vegetables are covered with agricultural fabric 8 and 6 meters wide. The Weedman riding weeder offers versatility for farmers. It allows easy adjustment of rake depth and rotation speed, enhancing efficiency in weed management. The Tierra HDPS cotton harvester, mounted on a John Deere 5050E tractor, efficiently gathers cotton in the field, showcasing modern agricultural technology at work. The BCS 3 Wheel Reaper binder offers an efficient wheat harvesting solution. With its 3-wheel design, it swiftly cuts and binds wheat, streamlining the harvesting process. Planting cabbage and cauliflower under flat cover on the field. Vegetables are covered with agricultural fabric measuring 8 and 6 meters wide. The composite mulching machine tissue provides effective weed suppression and moisture retention for agricultural beds. Its durable material helps maintain soil health and improve crop yields in various farming applications. The planting machine, attached to a New Holland Ford TC48R Plus tractor, efficiently cultivates cassava in Thailand. A basic tractor methodically gathers onions from the farm, illustrating traditional harvesting techniques used in agriculture for efficient crop collection and processing. The 3-row cabbage garden cultivator is a specialized agricultural implement designed to efficiently cultivate cabbage fields. In just 20 seconds, this machine efficiently removes 5 medium-height trees, accelerating deforestation. Yet, it counteracts this by replanting rather than destroying trees, lessening environmental harm. The 7-row planting machine allows for adjustable row spacing from 35 to 100 centimeters, suitable for crops like lettuce, tomatoes, garlic, cabbage, peppers, spinach, potatoes, and more. We are seeing farmers in Anjihai Township of Sichuan County in northwest China's Xinjiang for harvesting chili peppers as the spicy fruit of plants dye the land red. Pick-right vegetable harvesters are built to work the way you work. Now you can harvest up to 20,000 pounds of bell peppers every hour while cutting your labor costs. This is a fully automatic machine capable of harvesting and separating chili peppers uniformly and effectively. This machine is suitable for large farms and those who need mass production.
Currently, we find ourselves at a red cabbage farm in Arizona, USA, with approximately 23,000 acres dedicated to producing around 149,000 tons of red cabbage. Can you guess how many kilograms of green peppers are here? Bit of a challenge, right? Please leave your estimated number in the comments. Continuing with this video, we explore beautiful and delicious strawberries, where the planting and harvesting process ensures each strawberry meets high quality standards, guaranteeing their freshness. Cauliflower, an essential winter vegetable in India, has European origins from the green cabbage. Its appealing taste, good flavor, and diverse nutritional value play a crucial role in human diets. China's cutting-edge potato farming techniques are truly astounding. Incorporating state-of-the-art technology, these methods showcase innovation and efficiency. These robots efficiently navigate through orchards, identifying and delicately harvesting ripe kiwi fruit. It would be wonderful to have an orchard with such delicious and visually appealing fruits.
Starting the journey in the Netherlands, where the climate is temperate year-round, amid a backdrop of flying flocks of birds, farmers are operating the Super Tiger 360p machine to complete the planting area. The Japanese sea pine apple harvest involves carefully collecting these unique marine creatures from ocean waters. Cabbage and cauliflower are planted beneath a flat covering on the field. The vegetables are covered with agricultural fabric 8 and 6 meters wide. The Weedman riding weeder offers versatility for farmers. It allows easy adjustment of rake depth and rotation speed, enhancing efficiency in weed management. The Tierra HDPS cotton harvester, mounted on a John Deere 5050E tractor, efficiently gathers cotton in the field, showcasing modern agricultural technology at work.
Peanuts, lifted and dried for 3 weeks, are now harvested. The machine extracts them, cleans the roots, and stores the nuts in its compartment. The tractor, traveling around the field, is crushing all ripe melons. It turns out that this is the method for producing melon seeds. Farmers harvesting and enjoying delicious watermelons create a harmonious and joyful melody. In impoverished areas, ingenious farmers have invented an automatic corn sheller. Corn kernels and cobs can be effortlessly separated into grains using this device. The Kirby CBD hemp harvester automatically cuts, notches and loads entire hemp plants into the storage chamber at a rate of 2,200 stems per hour and between 5 and 8 acres per day. The Borgolt 3420 Paralink hoe drill is a 100-foot seeding implement on either a 10 or 12-inch spacing. Despite the extreme operating width, the unit folds up to only 18 feet wide by 16 feet high for transport. This is a simple way to peel watermelon that you have likely never thought of before. Harvesting red peppers with precision machinery enhances efficiency and reduces labor demands. This process is not only fast, but also preserves the quality and the freshness of the red peppers. The carrot harvester has 4 times the capacity of a single row harvester, designed to lift and handle carrots gently and accurately, exceeding expectations. The grapevine harvesting process is a crucial step in agriculture. Grape harvesting machines enhance productivity and efficiency, reducing labor compared to manually harvesting them. The lavender field harvester plays a crucial role in efficiently harvesting lavender flowers. This equipment is designed to quickly cut and gather lavender blooms, preserving their quality. The New Holland CR1090X3 is a cutting-edge combine harvester, representing a pinnacle of technological advancement in agriculture. The precise and efficient harvesting system, combined with its large processing capacity, makes the RA632 a crucial tool in the tobacco agriculture industry. By utilizing machinery, farmers can automate numerous stages of the process, from seeding and nurturing young plants to irrigation. An automated irrigation system helps maintain consistency. This equipment not only reduces labor efforts, but also enhances efficiency and ensures uniformity in the process of planting these young trees. The next destination on our journey is the state of Texas, USA, where hundreds of tons of cotton are produced each year. With favorable climatic conditions, the northwestern Xinjiang region in China stands as the hub for various chili varieties. Over 10 different types of chili can be grown here. Harvesting mini cabbages can be efficiently done using modern machinery such as automatic cutters. These machines are designed to save time and effort, ensuring high efficiency during the harvesting process. Advanced technologies like computer vision and automatic image processing algorithms are employed to classify mushroom characteristics, including their size, color, and shape.
The scene of harvesting cabbage, where humans and machines harmonize, paints a remarkable picture of modernity in agriculture. The Krone grass cutter is an embodiment of advancement and efficiency in agriculture. The New Holland T8.435 Smart Trax Plus Desur Transmax. Turbo cleaner with its high discharge capabilities, the scene of these delectable fruits is truly a feast for the eyes. The vibrant colors and variety on display create a captivating visual delight. The tomato-picking robot is a remarkable fusion of technology and machinery, not only enhancing efficiency, but also alleviating the labor pressure on farmers. The unmanned aerial vehicle effectively defeats pests, optimizing pesticide spraying in the fields. You might not know that healthy and mature walnut trees can produce from 30 to 160 kilos of walnuts, but this yield isn't achieved every year.